So ayun na mga ka-sports, Gilas Pilipinas Women laban sa Tonga. Unang panalo, unang laro nila sa FIBA Asia Cup 3v3. Kaysa De La Rosa and Bernardino connection at may bagong dalawang player na napaka-aggressive din. Sa tingin nyo mga ka-sports, may chemistry ba ang apat na ito? Despite na nakuha nila ang panalo sa score na 19-10, napakaganda at napaka-smooth ng kanilang laro.
To the coaching staff for the Philippines.
Stepping back. Nice. Nari. Nice move. Now on the attack on the inside.
Good job. I did not expect the game. Nice. The backdoor. Beautiful.
Very nice. With an impact on this game. Beautiful. Okay. First bucket of the game.
I'm looking at the footwork. I'm shooting form. I'm looking at the bouncy.
Philippines up by 1. Ika's been fairly quiet in this one. This is Tonga with a 1-point lead. Make that 2. They separated by 1. 6-minute mark. Bernardino. Bernardino inside now. Oh, that's definitely a foul.
To you at the top also on Bernardino. So there was the Noble provide them with a lot of clean 2-point shot opportunities, the drives, everything is going.
Now.
Oh, missing that city down low. Goodbye.
A-Bag on the drive. A-Bag, tough, but
Knowing how gritty they are, they're going to keep on hassling you and trying to draw the ability to speed up the pace.
well, in that case, they be playing right into their hands. Sonosa gets it cleared and wants it back. Repose, continue it right now.
You think?
Yes, really cooking. He's gonna let somebody else get some shine. Never mind. She's gonna keep doing what she does. Results for the at the horn. Won't go for now. Battle.
Good pass.
Sonosa delivering down.
Yeah, I mean, we've never seen her before. Oh, beautiful.
He can tell her get lost. On to the Philippines going away. 19-10. Led by the new ad.
Kung nagustuhan nyo po mga ka-sports ang video nito, kayo na follow, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!